Freight damage happens. It's frustrating and it can throw off timelines, budgets, and relationships. If you're in this industry long enough, you'll run into it eventually. When that moment comes, how you respond can make all the difference. Over the years, I've helped plenty of clients file freight claims. Some went smoothly, others hit roadblocks. The difference? Preparation. Knowing what to do before things go wrong makes the recovery process 10 times easier. The moment that shipment arrives, don't rush it. Take a deep breath and inspect everything. You're looking for visible damage like crushed corners, torn shrink wrap, broken pallets, and anything that feels off. If something doesn't look right, don't just shrug it off. Take photos from multiple angles before you move anything. Then, make sure you note the damage directly on the delivery receipt or bill of lading. Write something like, "Received damage, subject to inspection." That's your first piece of evidence, and without it, your claim might already be on thin ice. The biggest mistake I see people make is signing a clean delivery receipt when there's damage. The driver hands you a tablet or form and says, "just sign here." But if you sign that the freight was received in perfect condition, even when it wasn't, you're essentially waiving your right to fight it later. It doesn't matter if you were in a rush or didn't want to make a scene. If the damage is there, you've got to call it out right then and there. Be polite, but be firm. You're not accusing anyone, you're protecting your business. Once you flag the damage, don't sit on it. Call or email your broker or carrier right away. They'll need to know exactly what happened, and they'll probably ask for your photos, a copy of the signed POD, and a quick summary of the situation. Even if you don't have all the details yet, that early notification shows you're on top of it, and that goes a long way. In this industry, time matters. Some carriers have strict windows for reporting damage, so don't wait until the end of the week to start the process. When it's time to file the actual claim, treat it like you're building a case. You'll want to include all the documentation like photos, receipts, signed delivery notes, proof of the item's value, and a description of what happened. If repairs are possible, get a written estimate. If you need to replace the goods, show what it'll cost. This isn't just paperwork. This is what gets your claim taken seriously. Sloppy, incomplete claims are the ones that get delayed or denied. The better you package this, the faster it moves forward. You might be tempted to toss the broken goods and move on. Don't. Hold on to the damaged freight until the carrier tells you it's okay to dispose of it. They may want to inspect it or claim it for salvage. If it's already gone, that can seriously impact your claim. Think of it like evidence. Until the claim is fully resolved, keep everything intact and accessible. Freight claims can take a while to process, a month, sometimes two. That's normal. That doesn't mean you should sit back and wait in silence. Follow up with your broker, ask for updates, keep things moving. Just remember, the people handling this are often juggling dozens of claims. Stay organized, keep it professional, and make it easy for them to help you. The clients I've seen get results the fastest are the ones who stay involved without being difficult. Filing a freight claim isn't fun. It's one of those things you hope you never need to do, but when you do, you want to get it right. The biggest thing I can tell you is this: damage happens. If you stay calm, document properly, and follow the process, you'll be much better positioned to recover what you've lost. If you're working with a broker who disappears the second there's a problem, that's a whole different issue. A real freight partner doesn't vanish when things go wrong, they step in and help you fix it.